Hello kids, already I have explained you regarding the prepositions by sending an audio. So if you observe that, you can know that what the position of the thing or a person is there, how the movement is there. Basing on that, we can find the preposition. Finding the preposition by seeing a picture is really very easy. Just by seeing, we can say where the position of the thing is there. But while reading a sentence, you must read the options very carefully so that we can be able to identify the position of the thing, place, or anything basing on the context. So let us see the first one. You can look at the pictures and fill the correct preposition. So remember, preposition means we are going to find the position of the thing where it is. The flower pot is kept dash the clock and books. So if you see a clock is there, books are there. So where it is? Where was the flower pot kept? If you observe, read the options. Is it beside both of them? Is it between both of them? Is it into both of them? Or we can say, is it upon both of them? So, what are the meanings of beside, between, into, upon? Already you know this. Previously in our classes we discussed this. So, once check the options and try to tick the correct answer. Now, there is a ball dash the table. Where it is? Is it on, in, at, or under? In the same way, if you see the third and fourth questions, just try to read the questions and try to find where the position of the things are there. Now, coming to the fifth question, where is the peacock sitting? So, if you observe the options, you can take the correct answer. In the same way, the sixth, seventh, and eighth one, they are depend upon the pictures. The chick fell dash the pond of water. Can we say with the pond of water, into the pond, on the pond, or at the pond? Now, eighth one, the sun is dash the clouds. Where it is? So, if you see, there is a difference between on and behind. If you observe, on means it is above that, and behind means back of that. So, what it is? So, just check it properly and write it. We can't say in and after. Now, coming to B, fill in the blanks with the correct proportion. Rohan lives dash Delhi. So, normally we say we live. Where do we live? Basing on that, you can complete that question. Now, coming to the 10th one in page 31, the children are playing dash the roof. Roof means above a house, whatever is there. The top of the house is called as roof. Can we say in the roof, at the roof, in the roof, on the roof, or upon the roof? Anju goes dash the temple daily. Where does he go? Normally, while we are going, I am going dash school. If we say the sentence, what do we use while we are going to somewhere? Now, basing on that, you can complete your 11th one. He reminds me dash my brother. Can we say at my brother, to my brother, up my brother, of my brother? Reminds me. So, reminds me is the word which we use that they say that in remembrance. So, about a person or something. Now, the chicks are going dash the hen. Where are they going? Since they are kids, they go, if we say dash the hen. So if I say I am going dash my mother to the shop, so what word do we use normally? Just think the options and tick the correct answer. Now, where is the monkey jumping? So if you observe the options, when we are jumping, the movement, so fence is there and some, that means something is there. In your options I had seen a box. If it is jumping fence, they said, so how do we jump from the fence? So basing on the options, you can find, is it over the fence, off the fence, with the fence, or in the fence? Now, in the same way, just try to read the questions from 16 to 30 according to the context. You want to suppose to write the answers basing on the options given. Try to read the options and try to use them with your personal things so that it will be easy for you. The sky is dash all of us. Can we say where the sky is there? 21. So in the same way, try everything from 15 to 30, going on reading the questions. Now let us go with the achiever section. Choose the correct preposition to complete each sentence. This class starts dash 9 and 10 a.m. Normally we use it in our school. So when does our classes start? So our classes start dash 9 a.m. You can tell the answer. Is it at, on, between, or off? Check the correct answer. If we go with the 32, I have to stay dash home because I have a test tomorrow. So where do you want to stay? Can we say I have to stay on home, at home, after home, or for home? So you have this answer in your video which I had sent on preposition. Basing on that, you just read that one, observe carefully, and then answer the questions from 33 to 35, which we speak regularly. So while we are speaking, we use these words regularly. So try to use the correct answer and take the correct answer.